Today, we're going to look at a function in Excel that helps you keep track of your stocks. It also helps you if you want to keep track of indexes and currencies. So here I have built up a table for my stocks that I'm interested in. I have added some indexes that I think it's interesting for me to follow, and some currencies, and I want to know how they develop towards the US dollar. And it's quite easy. I just mark my stocks here, and then I go to data and use the function stocks. And as you see, it found half of them, and then you have question marks on some of them. And that's because some of those companies are on more than one stock exchange. So let's go for NVIDIA then. And here we want the NVIDIA that is in Nasdaq, not in Deutsche and not in Toronto. Yes, and Coca-Cola, we also want the one in New York. And Tesla, we want the one on Nasdaq. And Ford, I think the New York one. And Nike in New York as well. So now I have all my stocks here. And if I mark them, I could choose this little button here, Insert Data. And here I could choose what I want to show. And from my point of view, I would like to see the price. And I would like to see the change in percentage. And that's the last day then. Then I'll do the same thing for the indexes. I just mark them, go to the data tab and choose stocks. Found all but Nasdaq, and here I want to have the first one. And I mark them all again, and I add the price, and I also would like to have the change in percentage. So there we have it. For the currency, it's quite similar, but here I choose currencies instead. It found them all directly. And I want to have the price, I guess, yes, and the change. So now we have all our data. The last thing I would like to have is to add some conditional formatting. I'll do it here, conditional formatting, and I choose icon sets, and I should choose arrows, green, yellow, and red. And it will automatically set them, but I want different values on them. So here I go to Manage Rules, I mark the rule, edit it, and here instead of percent I would like to have numbers, and I would like it to be green if it's greater than 0.002. That means that if it's more than 0.2%, I would like to have it green. And it could stay yellow between plus 0.2% and minus 0.2%, like that. So now it is there. I think it looks quite nice, and of course you could have your own stocks and whatever you want to follow. And the values here updates every time you open the file, but you could also click on here and refresh all, and it will update. Right now everything is closed, there will not be a change. So that's all for now. So thank you very much, and please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share or comment the video. That would help with the algorithm. See you next time. Bye bye.